where this is going, like what you're doing. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. Yeah, my heart's got a feeling. It's got a feeling like how it's beating. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. So I just finished filming my dining room tour, and now I'm ready to show you guys my living room. By the way, it is not complete. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie and I love doing home decors, shop with me's, and just a little bit of everything. I sometimes do vlogs. Depends on how I feel. But anyways, in today's video, as you can see on the title, we are going to be doing a living room tour. For the record, you guys, my living room is not complete, but I do want to show you guys because I'm going to take a lot of things down and I'm going to move a lot of things around so that I can make some space for my Christmas tree. So, alright, enough of the talking. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me show you how my living room looks. Alright, voila, this is my living room decor. It's pretty similar to my dining room. You can see a lot of green. So I'm going to take you guys corner by corner. Okay, we're going to start on this corner right here. As you can see, I have plants. I love plants. I did not know that I was into plants until recently when I took a picture and I was like, oh my god, I have a lot of plants. But anyways, over here you can see this coffee or... Okay, over here, as you all know, I do collect rocks, and we did talk about this before in a previous video. So I have my rock collection down there. And also, I was thinking of getting like a shelf where I can organize them nicely, but I'm not sure if it's a good idea now. And so that is my rock collection, you guys. I feel like I'm missing some rocks because Leo might be getting into my rocks. But anyways, we've been having this table for the longest since Evan and I moved in together. I think that's one of the pieces of furniture that we bought along with the couches that we used to have. And right here, you guys, this is my new couch. Very pretty. As you can see, it is velvety. I am not babying the couch, although, is that a pencil? I don't even know. I don't baby the couch. I let the kids be. They really like it. It's pretty. Honestly, it's not that comfortable, but it doesn't matter because I like the way it looks, and that's all that matters to me. Okay, and up there we have my IKEA Paris canvas. It's a little crooked. I have to fix it, but honestly, it's gonna come down right now that we get our Christmas tree. We do have a little bit of high ceilings, so that's why you kind of hear the echo. And then over there we have my Amazon plant palm tree and I will link it all down below, you guys. Also right here, my TV stand, it will be linked down below. Luckily I found it at Home Goods, but they also have it on Amazon, so it will be in the description box if you guys are interested. My coffee table, also, I do plan on replacing it, but right now it kind of matches our, I was gonna say our ceilings, our floor. So that's the reason why I do not want to replace it yet, just because I feel like it kind of ties well together. Coffee table and this table right here is also the same style, and we got it a lot of years ago. I want to say 5 years ago. Leo plays with his toys, and under there, as you can see, I have some boxes. That's where I keep all of the kids' toys. I am going to be putting a new rug, so that's the reason why I wanted to show you guys this, because everything is going to change in this room. And I'll go back to this in probably January after the tree is gone. But yes, you guys, this is one side. And yeah, the picture has to be a little more this way because it's too over there. But like I said, it's coming down, so it's okay. We have our TV. And right now we're watching The Grinch because I love The Grinch. And Rosa doesn't like The Grinch, but you know who likes it? Leo loves The Grinch, which is so funny. Inside our console or our TV stand, we have a lot of things that we use when we're hanging out here as a family. Board games and all that stuff. Monopoly. And yeah, so everything is in there, right there, in those drawers. Okay, like I was saying, yeah, I cleaned this table before filming this video. And all those little marks that you see are just stains that the table has now. So we are wanting a new table. Actually, I am wanting a new table. Evan doesn't mind. Evan says that the kids are so little that I should just let them be. So Evan does think that we should keep it for a couple more years, but I'm gonna surprise him and get a new one next year. I don't know if I should get a glass one. I kind of like the one from Sea Gallery, but we'll see what happens. Like I said, I'm not in no rush, but you guys will see how everything's gonna look when I do my Christmas tour. I guess this can be called my Thanksgiving tour because look, my pillows are still pumpkins. And I do love plants, you guys. I want to put like a gallery up here, like family pictures in black and white. I think that's gonna look really cute. But I have to look for the picture frames. I saw Julie Simply Love. She shared some pictures by Nicole Miller that the frame was made out of mirror. It was so pretty. I believe the price for those were $14.99. I did see them on my local Home Goods, but they only had one, so I didn't even bother buying it. But I do want to get 6 or 8 of them, so I'm gonna hunt for them. But for now, we're just gonna keep that until I find them. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but we did get new windows. I'll insert a clip so that you guys can see how my old windows looked. Also, the house is gonna get painted on the 17th, so we do not have Christmas lights right now, and I don't believe we're gonna have Christmas lights this year unless we do them after, but I don't know if Evan's gonna want to do that. So yeah, we have new windows. They look completely different. They're okay. I feel like the house looks a little darker just because of the color of the glass. It's kind of like bluish. No, you're gonna fall. Be careful. And then on the top, I have this pretty garland that I got from Home Goods. I used to have the lights behind it, but I got rid of those too. I'm gonna take this down and put my new garland on after I am done filming this video. This is one of my favorite mirrors, you guys. I love the reflection whenever I'm going out of my house, when we're going to places and stuff, and I see the reflection of the couch and the TV. I absolutely love it. And this, I believe I got it at Home Goods. If I find a similar style, I will definitely link it in the description box for you guys. Okay, I'm actually going to turn off the TV because I think it looks better when the TV is off. And now I'm going to show you this wall properly because I don't think I did. Oh, the ice keeps scaring me. The fridge is making ice. Okay, and over here we have this rocking chair. I got this chair when I had Leo, where I used to nurse him. My husband loves it. He sits there and he reads. He's a reader. But anyways, and also if you look at it from this angle, and from this angle you can see my little office. I love looking at everyone. Like, I love having that control of being able to see everything and everyone from the reflection of the mirrors, and I just love that. I might have been Egyptian in another life. I don't know, I think of Egypt and I think of mirrors because maybe because of a movie that I saw. But anyways, back to the tour. and I'll show you guys my favorite wall at the moment. The lamps, I will link them down below, you guys. The shade, I tried looking everywhere for the sequin shade, and honestly I couldn't find it. I bought this at Ross and I love it, you guys. So cute. But the lamps is actually from Lamp Plus. Can you guys believe it? Leo's gonna be 2 years old in 3 days. I cannot believe it. And these candlesticks, I've been having them for quite a while. They used to be in my makeup room, but I brought them down here and they look so cute. Also, I found the 4 placemats that I was missing just the other day at Home Goods. So I'm super excited to be doing a couple of different tablescapes for the holidays. And then over here we have my window. And a lot of the times I like putting pillows all around it, and we use it as a sitting area for the holidays. That's what I'll be doing, because I am, like I said, I'm gonna rearrange this whole area. And over here, that's our rocking chair. This is like our favorite blanket. I bought it at Costco and it's super duper comfortable. All right, the moment that you guys have been waiting for. This is by far my most favorite walls out of the whole house. Well, actually, no, I have a couple of favorite ones. But anyways, this is a big deal for me. Voila! Do you guys remember how much I wanted a big mirror, and I looked everywhere? So I found it, and this is it. The chairs are adorable. This is everything, you guys. I love it. I'm gonna zoom in so that you can see. And again, the reflection of the other side of the room. I just love it. I will show you how I look, but honestly, I have my PJs on and I don't want to scare you. The chairs are so stunning. I will link them down below, you guys, and I apologize for not brushing everything. I will give you guys a very nice tour for the holidays, and I'll make sure everything's on point. Like I said, I just wanted to do this video fast because I am going to be decorating tomorrow, and I thought, hey, I'm just gonna show everyone how everything looks right now. Look how stunning that is. Do you guys remember the lights that I got from Costco? These are it. Look how sparkly they are. I love them, you guys. I'm obsessed. I know I wanted the other mirror too from Living Spaces, and I told my husband that I do want that still, and I can definitely have it in our room. And over here we have my floor lamp from Lamps Plus, and then the other one is over there. I cannot wait for you all to see this room for Christmas. It's gonna be very nice and cozy, and a lot of things are gonna be out of the room. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my living room tour, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. I'm gonna show you guys what I do before we go to bed. I actually turn off all the lights in the house, and I just let the mirror be on. Okay, I just fixed the pillows. Oh my god, me and pillows. There you go, something like that. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know on the comments down below, what do you think about my decor, the holidays, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.